Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare creatine versus fish oil. Creatine is a well-researched supplement known for its ability to significantly boost muscle strength and power. It works by increasing the availability of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is crucial for short bursts of high-intensity activity. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts use it to improve their performance in the gym and on the field. A common daily dosage is around 3 to 5 grams, often taken with a meal. Now, let's look at fish oil. This supplement is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are essential for overall health. Fish oil is widely recognized for its benefits to cardiovascular health, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure and triglyceride levels. It also plays a significant role in reducing systemic inflammation throughout the body. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for optimal brain function and cognitive well-being. While both are popular supplements, creatine and fish oil serve very different purposes. Creatine is primarily for those looking to enhance physical performance, build muscle, and increase strength. Fish oil, on the other hand, is more about supporting long-term health, particularly for your heart, brain, and joints. They don't compete but rather complement each other, offering a comprehensive approach to well-being when used together. So, who should take what? If your main goal is to boost athletic performance, increase muscle mass, or improve strength, creatine is likely your primary choice. If you're focused on cardiovascular health, reducing inflammation, or supporting brain function, fish oil is an excellent option. Many people benefit from taking both, tailoring dosages to their specific needs. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.